Hi guys, it's me Lorraine and I am here today to bring you an unboxing of the ONOTO fountain pen. This is available in Manila from Pen Graphic, and thank you very much Pen Graphic for allowing me to try this pen out. I can't wait to write with it. This is the pen. It comes in this nice sturdy box. So let's get unboxing. I'm going to sit down. All right. Now, all right. Isn't that pretty? So the first thing you see is a little note. Thank you for your custom. With compliments from ONOTO. I love how it's handwritten. I love everything handwritten on very nice paper. And you get these information. Okay, ONOTO, the British pen. This is the original advert from Punch or the London Charivari from November 1920. This one, oh, this is really cute. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. All right, this is from the Tatler, May 1911. Now this company, ONOTO, is a very interesting one. It has such interesting history. I believe it was founded in 1905. But ooh, wait, look at this. Okay, now is this stone or it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. And I am going to take it out. I apologize about the state of my fingers. I assure you that they are clean. They're just stained. So you get this beautiful box. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. And let's open it up. Okay. So you have a velvet lining. You have over here a wonderful, certificate of authenticity. This certificate accompanies Magna Classic Yellow, edition 67 of 200. So this is a limited release pen. It is number 67. Isn't that exciting? And here is the pen. It's a gorgeous yellow, Magna Classic yellow. It's just the right size. Now you have to see this in person. It's beautiful, especially on this velvet lining, and I think would make a wonderful present for somebody special. You have this beautiful clip with the ONOTO logo on it. You got an N and two O's down there and like a T across. Over here is the same logo. That is really beautiful. And down here, 67 out of 200. Isn't that wonderful? Even the pen is numbered. It's good weight, not too heavy, really. You have these three beautiful gold bands. And I can't really see what it says on it. I'll need to get like a magnifying glass or something. So let's open it up. And this is the nib. The nib is a steel nib. It's marked ONOTO 7. So that's what the nib is. And I know you can't wait to get to the writing portion of this video, so I'm going to shut this off, get my paper, and talk a little bit about the pen. All right, it's beautiful. It really is. Okay, so I've filled the pen. I've actually filled it with another English product, the Diamine Blue Orient ink, which just happens to be the Fountain Pen Network Philippines special edition ink for the anniversary this year. And I filled the pen with it, and I can't wait to get to writing. Now, I wanted to say a few things about the history of this pen, which you can actually read on their website, ONOTO.com. And that is that this pen, they say, was what Winston Churchill used. All right. So it's a very, very smooth nib. It isn't springy at all. It's quite firm. Mm-hmm. I'm not sure what this is. Like I suppose it writes like a medium. I'm not sure if you can see very well. Yeah, all right. So they say Winston Churchill wrote with his pen. The proof is that they found a letter that he wrote to his wife where he said something like, "Send me another ONOTO fountain pen, for I have lost mine," or something like that. But because of that wonderful history, I am going to write something famous from Mr. Churchill, who I think is truly amazing. They also another interesting story is that apparently in World War I, an English U-boat was sunk and contained an ONOTO fountain pen, and it was underwater for 70 years. That's 70. And when they found it, it still wrote perfectly. So that should tell you something about how wonderfully made these pens are, and such interesting history. I think it would make a wonderful present for somebody who loves history, or just loves fine writing instruments. As I said, it's very smooth. No problem at all. Keeping up. Holding wonderfully. I'll be quiet so I can write. like it. There is a little bit of feedback, so it's not like slippery against the paper, and it feels really nice in my hand. I do have my hand is kind of on the small side, small medium, and it's very comfortable to write with. It's beautiful. I think such a beautiful pen. Just is such a joy to write with. So there you go, first writing with the beautiful ONOTO Magna Classic Yellow. It's gorgeous, and thank you Pen Graphic for letting me try this pen out. If you have any questions, you can contact me or Pen Graphic directly, and I hope this video was useful for anyone who's interested in this pen. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!